Now let's take our head joint and we're going to try to make our first sound. What we want to do with the head joint is this part of the flute, the lip plate. What we want to do is this corner of the lip plate, right here, on the back side, this corner. We want to place this corner right on our chin. So this sharp edge is going to rest right here on our chin. And let's just place it there like this. And so you want to feel the sharp edge, this sharp edge right on your chin here. And you want to make sure, so look into your camera, and what you want to do is make sure that this hole here on the lip plate is right in the center of your lips. Like, look how mine is. If you can see, it's right in the center. So make sure it's not moved to the left, it's not moved to the right, but that it's right in the center. So one more time. This sharp edge of the lip plate goes right on the chin, right here, so that this edge of the lip plate is kind of touching the bottom lip right here. Not too far up. Don't let it get too far up on the bottom lip. It's only touching it slightly here. So let's try it. Sharp edge on the chin so that the other edge, this one, is touching the bottom lip. All right, let's hold it with two hands and look into your camera and make sure that this hole is centered. You can also try like this. You can put this hole on the lip plate right in the center of your lips and then turn out, just like that. This way you'll get the perfect position. All right, now that you have the perfect position settled right in the center, make sure that you are not covering too much of this hole. So you do not want to turn in too much like this. So if you're looking into your camera, you want to make sure that you can still see this hole here, about half of it, but not too much. So you don't want to see the hole completely in your camera, but you want to see about a third of it, just like that. And please feel free to ask any questions if any of this doesn't make sense. All right, one more time, sharp edge on the chin. A third of the hole is visible. And now let's hold it with our left hand. And let's put the right hand right here, covering this hole. This is going to make it easier for us to make a sound. So we're positioned just like this. We're holding it here, covering the hole, making sure that it's centered with our lips. And we're going to do the same thing that we did without the flute. We're going to firm up our lips a little bit, like a pouty face, a little bit down. Keep a small hole in the middle of our lips. Say the syllable P through the center of our lips. And we're also going to focus on really blowing into the flute. So focus on blowing down. And yes, we're going to just blow, just how we did without the flute, but into the flute now. Let's try together with me. Let's take a breath through our mouth, then keep this small hole in the lips and blow down. Really focus your airstream that it's directed directly into the flute. So make sure that it's not going somewhere up there, but you can think of blowing on your chin, actually, like you're trying to blow on your chin. That will help you to really get that airstream into the flute. Let's try again. One more time.